Windows 10 Home? What the? Come on, let's get rid of that Windows Home. Let's get some Windows Pro. Copy and paste my code from the description. You can also get Office 2019. Just paste my code. Woof. It's Windows Pro time. Alright, tell you how there, champs. Now, it's not often I do unboxing these days, but I'm going to unbox this because I believe this is a new laptop, or like it's brand new, hasn't been opened or whatever. But stay tuned for my review of this mouse. Now, I just bought this for myself. I was never going to review it, but this thing is so good. If you're a gamer, this is the mouse you want. Trust me on that. Stay tuned. When that video drops, you want to look at it. Alright, this is the Strix 3. So it's the ROG Strix 3. Any tests you want done, let me know in the comments there. Let's have a look here. What's it say here? Alright, serial number, you don't need to know that. Alright, let's have a look what it says here. The G531G. So yeah, I don't even know what graphics card it's got. 8 gigs VRAM, who knows. 9758, so it's a 9th generation CPU. What else we got? Yeah, Wi-Fi, blah blah blah. 8G2, what does that mean? Does that mean like it's half soldered? I don't know. Anyway, let's have a look. Let's open the box up. Nice box these come in. Awesome box. I love the way they pack things. ROG, bit of embellishment there. I've got to say, when it comes to gaming, I really do love these Strix gaming laptops. They're awesome. 240 Hertz display, I believe this has as well. Whoa, have a look at that beautiful finish. That is beautiful. It's awesome. Nice embellishment there. The vents out the back. Oh, look at that. Ethernet. You can see the copper inside. Have a look. Can you see that? All copper in there. Proper heatsink. Exhaust vents out there. Ethernet. I think that's not Thunderbolt 3. Don't know why they're doing this. HDMI. USB 3s. Or 3.1s, I'm not sure. I'll let you know in the full review. Combination jack, looks like a speaker here. And on this side, what the hell is that? I'm going to have a look. Another speaker on this side. No more ports, so no Thunderbolt 3. Let's have a look. Let's open her up. 240 Hertz, 3 milliseconds. Probably going to be the fastest gaming display out there. So yeah, RTX i7, and yeah, you get the number pad here. You get the number pad that lights up in the trackpad. That is awesome. I love what they're doing here because you don't need a number pad on the keyboard anymore. That is awesome. Good solid build it is. You know, nice sort of faux carbon fiber finish there. See if it's got any power. Still don't know what that is. I'm going to have to look it up. So it doesn't actually have any power. I'm going to have to charge it up. So let's look what else you get in the box here. Okay, so your standard, I assume, literature. What's going on here? Oh, so yeah, if you want a hard drive in there, I guess, yeah, you get the cable for that. That's awesome. That's pretty cool. Standard literature there. This may be drivers. So what is this? No idea. Does that go on the side of the laptop? Mate, you guys are learning with me. I have no idea what that is. You have nothing on that side. And we have the power supply on this side. Now let's just weigh that power supply. Alright, so we'll weigh that power supply. What is that? 629 grams? Is that right? Let's have a look what mode it is. LB ounces, 1 pound 62. No idea what a pound is. That's like caveman speak to me. Alright. Yeah, 627 grams. And now I feel like own and disown Steve and Jared at the moment. 2.3 kilos, I guess that is. And with the brick, 2.9 kilos. So what is that in caveman? Whatever that is. I have no idea. 6 pounds, is it? 0.8. Alright, so do stay tuned for the review of this, the gaming review, because usually the Scar and the Zephyrus are really good in terms of thermals, and they perform among some of the best in terms of performance just because they can maintain their clocks for longer. Now if we have a look here, this is some sort of NFC chip thing for encryption. What is it? ASUS's T2 chip, is it? Well, let's have a look, see what happens. Oh, hold on. Let's have a look, plug it in. Whoop! What is that? No idea. We'll check it out in the review. Alright, so that's my quick look, dirty unboxing. Fortunately didn't have any power, gonna have to charge it up. Gonna run it through its paces now. Let me know in the description what test you like done. Catch you in the next one. Tally ho.